Boys, look at this. You look this up on Google Maps and it's just a field. Oh, he's got a Moffat. Nice. Oh, I wonder if that's Call them All. Can you imagine? No, he's got a Peterbilt. That's a Kenworth. But yeah, 33 is the number we're looking for. But yeah, this try to look this address up on Google Maps. And there's nothing, literally nothing here. Look at all this shit. Oh, there you guys. It'll be all freshly dug up too. So hopefully it's easy digging for me because the shovel man's down, boys. Yeah. Shovel man's down.
30s on that side.
Doing extracurricular activities. Wasn't even shoveling.
No, I know.
30s?
Yeah, but that's all odd or even numbers on that side, so I don't know where the 33 would be, like where the 30s are on.
I think it's at the end of one of the things. They've got a sump pump coming out of their.
That goes down that way.
53, 15. Yeah, that's probably where it is.
Not the Tesla.
Oh, we did it. Oh, sweet. Look at this too. We got parking. Oh yeah, look at this, boys. That's no good.
The issue is where the fuck am I gonna piss?
Oh, they've got a pallet on the ground. They've got like the grasses. This is the swamp. So this is what they would call the swamp right here. So that's cool. But yeah, we got internet here. We got gas meter there. We got more internet and hydro and power, buried power here. So that's awesome. I should have run the trencher. Really, I should have, because it's all going to be along here. I just thunder out that way. They told me that they didn't know where the end of the pipe was and stuff, but I moved this pallet. And like, I mean, obviously there's the end of the pipe there, but you know, it's just, there's no flow of the downness. You know, if you get too close to the curb when the plow truck comes and piles the snow on the side of the curb, you don't really want that on the pop-up. Just lay my cardboards out in straight line-ish. So we're gonna cut it off here. We'll get rid of this pipe and then we'll send it straight out there. And there's a grate right there, so I'll just send it straight out that way, right, you know, and then we'll just cross the sidewalk. Mud wash going down to your freaking gable ends, boys. Oh, those are the good ones too, that look like they're just absolutely dick your program, but just gonna, I got some, you know, obviously we put a pipe in the ground, so we got some extra dirt. It's just gonna fill all this swamp. They got bulrushes, boys. They got friggin' bulrushes growing on the front lawn because of their drainage situation. But I mean, they had a pipe coming from the sump pump to right there, and then it just ended. They got bullfrogs under the pallet that they had on the grass and stuff, right? So fucking good pallet there too. We'll check the dickerness level of it, but look, it's just absolutely mushy because their sump pump keeps turning on, but like the sump pump's literally right there, so they pump the water just chooches right back into, so I mean, it's just a circulating mixer. It's just washing all this, so it's just diabolical. I can't even believe it. But there's a drain right there, so we put our pop-up right here. The fucking thing's gone on 3 times and no water's even come out of it yet, right? So like we got like a bit of a dry well under the earth goal, right? So that'll hold quite a bit of water. But you know, this will be good. You won't ever have a problem with it again. So we need about 3 of these jobs a week, and then we're laughing, boys. Hey, this was a cakewalk, hey, especially with the felon's help. But see, we got a catch basin over here, so water come over there, just flow right into there, no big deal. So that's one point. But if you put the you put it close to the road, when the snow comes over here, it will snow plows it on the road, it'll bury it, and then you'll be dicked. So it's not like a eaves trough downspout discharge where if it's frozen, it's, you know, everything else is frozen too. Like when the ground's frozen, this is still totally going to be chooching, you know what I mean? So you need to make sure that that is open access.
Oh man, I think I showered on Wednesday was the first time. It was just like, oh my god, man.
Wow. Holy shit.
Yeah. I was so worried about freaking getting this wet, right? Because like apparently if you get this wet, it does not want to like reset. Oh, is they just standing right in the shot?
Oh, probably. It's your speciality,
Oh,
no?
Yeah.
Well, if I'm being honest, not our best, you know, it's not our best finished product, but the ground is just, you know, there's no soil. It's just clay, so the sod would have just busted up and carried on. Anyways, the sod cutter's down, boys. Sod cutter's down, so we're gonna have to change a seal or something in that, so we'll get that figured out. But plus I'm down to a one-man segert, so I didn't have the felon to help me lift the son of a bitch into the back of the truck, and it's 1,700,000 pounds. So, but yeah, a little bit of raking. I'll just clean up my mess here, a little bit of raking, and yeah, we go. Freaking hard day for felon. Holy shit, eh? Wow, poor bastard. We picked up these bags too, for they're like material, bulk material bags, so we'll be able to keep our different grades of crushed aggregate nice and separated, you know, our extras when we get from jobs and stuff or whatever. Scores! So that'll be sweet. But yeah, anyways,